Welcome back to my channel. This is Katrina of KT Cat Studios. Today we're opening up my pigeon post from Brandi Kincaid. She has a monthly mailer that she sends out to us with goodies in it. And we are going to check out this hot fudge envelope with this gorgeous sticker and see what is inside. All right, in this month's envelope, my handwritten note in pencil is it can look different than you plan and still be beautiful. And it's really neat to see what she writes each month. And she writes personal notes if you put something in your order, or she just writes something, and it's just amazing. Whatever words she wrote down is what you need to read at that moment you open your envelope. Along with it, she gives us a letter. And within that letter, she tucks in a little sticker. And this month's sticker is oof. She likes using that word a lot, oof. And I cannot wait to read in detail of the letter. Here's another vinyl sticker she created for this month. And like last month, she's given us these business size cards. This one's neat because on the back, because I think it's close to November, we can write some gratitude on that one. Every month she gives us a playlist to listen to, and I love listening to those playlists. And so I can't wait to put that in my traveler's notebook. This month, once again, she's given us 3 books that she really likes. And lo and behold, one of the books is by one of my favorite childhood authors, Shel Silverstein. This little beauty I keep until I need it. And it's like magic. Every time I open it up, those words that are written on that card, I need to listen to and hear. These are some cute vinyl stickers that she had made up. And I know it's a little blurry, but I will type out what it says. I apologize for that. Last 2 months, she has given us a letter of the month. And each letter has been created differently. And then she gives us 2 words to go with it. And I was trying to guess the word. I guessed marvelous, and lo and behold, she put down marvel. Then we get some postcards, and there is a wonderful note that she wrote with it of each one, and she explains the detail of each of these cards in a video that you receive when you sign up with her. And she explains why she drew what she drew, and it just gives it that much more meaning for you to keep and use yourself or to give away, and knowing that Brandi's artwork is going to make someone smile that day. I happened to open this up on my birthday when I was filming this, and when I saw this one, "This is your day," I'm like, all right, I need to use this. I'm going to put that in my birthday journal. I cannot wait to do it. Leonard Cohen. Who does not like Leonard Cohen? I just have to use that one too. And here's her last one. Slow and steady, fast and furious, wild and wandering, or right in line. Your pace is perfect because it's keeping your own time. Okay, see you in the next segment. Okay, before I put you on fast forward, showing you what I did this month, putting my stuff in, for the ones that have not seen the Flip Through Friday of my Brandi Kincaid TN, I put the link down below. So I'm going to put you on fast forward and enjoy. Thank you for watching, and remember, messy hands, happy life. See you next time. Don't forget to subscribe. Bye.